One of the things you want to look at and make sure we understand is when you have a sale, how to calculate the amount of gain that's necessary to be recognized if you use the installment sale. So we're going to take a look at a business and we're going to use my good friend, Sugar Bear Peter Olinto. And let's see how he's going to handle these two transactions. Gain or loss is generally recognized by a taxpayer at the time of sale. An exception occurs when a taxpayer receives payments for the property in installments. If at least one of the payments received is going to be in a different year than the year of sale, it will qualify for installment sale treatment. So let's have an example here. I mentioned my good friend and your client, Peter Sugar Bear Olinto, owns a food truck and has been selling gourmet bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. This year he finds out he's allergic to tomatoes and decides to sell the business and sell his business truck. He's going to quit the business. Well, splat on that one, right? In November of this year, he sells the food truck to Mike for $40,000. Mike pays Peter $10,000 in December this year and agrees to pay him $30,000 in 3 equal installments, $10,000 in February, $10,000 in April, $10,000 in June. The truck had a basis of $30,000, which means $40,000 proceeds, $30,000 basis, $10,000 gain. And by the way, $10,000 compared to the $40,000 is a 25% profit margin. Well, in this case, because the payments are received in installments, with at least one payment being received in a different tax year than the year of sale, this sale will qualify for installment. So in year one, December, when he received $10,000, 25% of it, $2,500, will be recognized as income. Next year, when he gets $10,000 in February, another $10,000 in April, another $10,000 in June, $30,000 in total, 25% of that is $7,500 will be recognized as gain in the second year. By the way, Pete had another transaction during the year in which he sold 100 shares of publicly traded stock. He sold the stock for a gain of $1,000 on December 28th, and he received the proceeds on January 5th. Peter has asked if he can use the installment sale. Unfortunately, Pete, the answer is no. The installment sale method is not applicable to sales of publicly traded property, so it's not allowed.